Welcome to another lecture of computer organization and architecture. This is lecture 4 and today we will talking about number system. What is number system? And what is the first thing comes in your mind if you say number system? Obviously, numbers. So basically, number system deals with how we represent a number and how we count the numbers. Also in this lecture, we will talking about different types of number system. Let's start. It is said that the counting process was started in a very simple way. It happened so a shepherd used to keep his sheep one by one by keeping in his shed by keeping one stone for one sheep. Okay, and he pushed one sheep inside the shed and then kept one stone for it, and so on. In this way, he counted the all kept stones and counting the sheep in his mind. So, in this way, he used a single stone for counting purpose. This was basically a unit number system because in a unit number system, the base is 1. Okay, and here only one symbol is used to represent the whole numbers in a unit number system, that is 0. Another very important number system was introduced, that is the decimal number system. Since humans are comfortable with counting 10 fingers, okay, so this number system was very popular. In the decimal number system, the base is 10, and here from 0 to 9, the symbols are used to represent whole numbers in a decimal number system. And also the another important number system is binary number system. In a binary number system, base is 2. Okay, here the base is 2 and the numbers that is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are the different symbols, are the two symbols used in a binary number systems. As we know that the typical digital circuits like our computer work on binary, that is 0 and 1. So our computer understand only 0 and 1. Let's take an example. If you write a C program, then if you compile it, then your C program converted into a low level language, that is your machine language, which is converted by the compiler because your computer doesn't understand your C program. You only understand 0 and 1, which is your machine language. Okay, so the binary number system is used to work with binary in a different types of electronic circuits, digital circuits. And another important number system is octal number system. In octal number system, base is 8, and here from 0 to 7, the 8 symbols are used to represent whole numbers in a octal number system. A different Another important number system is hexadecimal number system. This is one of the important number system because here in hexadecimal number system base is 16, and from 0 to 9 the number is same as in our decimal number system. But after that, for the 10th number, if you write 10, but here 10 creates a confusion because we already use here 0 and 1, so we can't write here 10. Also there is a convention that we can't write a single digit with a group of symbols because in 10 we use two different symbols, that is 1 and 0. So here a single symbol that is used to represent 10 is A, and also A represent here 10 and B for 11, C for 12, D for 13 and E for 14 and F to 15. So in a hexadecimal number system from 0 to F represent the whole numbers. Let's take have a look of this list. Okay, in this list, the numbers are from 0 to 15s are represented by the different types of number system. Here binary, decimal and octal and hexadecimal. Also in the next representation we will talking about how the numbers are converted from one number system to another number system, like binary to decimal and decimal to binary, also octal to decimal and hexadecimal to decimal, and also octal to binary and hexadecimal to binary. Okay, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe